Hi everyone, hello, how are you all? Good? Okay, today we will continue with science. Okay, in previous video of science, we completed our first topic, natural resources. In this video, we will be starting with our second topic, that is living world. So basically on our earth, there are different things, all of you know, out of which some are living and some are non-living. Yes? Okay. So living things behave in a certain manner, behave in certain way, which non-living things do not have. So such behavior is called as characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things. Okay. So we will be studying in this video different characteristics of living things. First is growth. Okay. Now all of you grow, na? Yes, we are small, then you become big. So all of you grow. See this picture. Consider this picture. In the picture, a small child is growing into adult. Yes. Adult means above 18 years you are called as adult. So you grow from small, then you become little big, then you become big, then you become old. Yes. So this is called as growth. Okay. So while this growth, different changes occur. Different changes are there. Your height changes, your weight changes. Yes. Okay, you become more strong than before. Yes. So these all changes are occurring in every living thing in different way, same or other way. Okay. So generally a human being, we need 18 to 21 years for the growth. How many years? 18 to 21 years for the growth. Okay. Now take a plant. We'll do this activity when you come to the school, but till then you try this activity at home. Okay. Take a plant, okay, and tie it with a thread. What you will do, and after some time you keep the watering the plants, and after some days, what will you observe? Yes, the thread has become very loose because the plant has grown big. So what will you come to know that the plant is growing? From that loose thread you will come to know that the plant is growing. Okay. So one more thing, our living things, we human beings have a limit. We cannot grow beyond a certain age. But plants grow as many long time as they want. As long as they live. Till they die, they keep on growing, but not like us. We cannot grow beyond a certain age. Okay. Now this was about growth. One more will tell about growth. Now food. For growth, food is must. Food is necessary, na? Yes. Unless we take food, we cannot grow. So see the diagram. Plants make their own food. Plants do not depend on others for food. Plants prepare their own food. Yes. And the process of making food is called photosynthesis. Means what? The process of making food in presence of sunlight, water is called as photosynthesis. They need sunlight, water, carbon dioxide for making the food. Now plants have green color. Why do you know? Because plants have a substance called chlorophyll. The color of that chlorophyll is green in color. The color of chlorophyll is green. So that green color substance chlorophyll is present in the plants. So plants appear green. But animals and human beings, we don't have chlorophyll in our body. So we do not appear green in color. Clear? And some animals live on or eat plants. Okay. Some animals are vegetarian, that is herbivores. But some animals eat other animals. They are non-vegetarian. So they are called as carnivores. Okay? Yes. Our next characteristic is respiration. All of you respire, na? All of you respire. Yes. All of you breathe. Come, chalo, breathe with me. Yes. While breathing, what you did? We took oxygen inside and gave out carbon dioxide. But plants do opposite of us. They give out oxygen and take in carbon dioxide. Okay, respiration, understood respiration? So different animals have different parts for respiration. Fish respire with the help of gills. See the diagram. Fish respire with the help of gills. Okay, humans respire with the help of nose. And plants, okay, plants, the leaves on the plants, the below side, yes, downside of the leaf, there are small microscopic holes. That holes are called as pores. They are small microscopic pores, and from that pores the plants respire. Okay, from that pores the plants do respire. Understood the respiration? Yes. Our next characteristic is excretion. Excretion means what? Removing the unwanted materials, waste materials, and that waste materials are called as excreta. It is called as excreta. Each and every animal, each and every living thing have different parts to remove the unwanted materials. And plants also remove the waste materials from the body. How? In autumn season or in any other time, when the leaves fall off, when the leaves fall from the trees, with that leaves the waste materials are given out. Understood? Up to this? Yes. Now the last part of this video, it is responsiveness to stimuli. If anybody beats you with scale like this, then you do, yes, you do like this, na? Yes, especially boys and girls, both you do. And you shout loudly, yes? You shout, na? Yes. So this is response, you are giving response. When teacher or father or mother beats you, you give response to them. Or if I ask a question, have you completed your work? Then you tell me, na? Yes or no, you tell me. So you give response. So a response given to any event, any action is called as responsiveness to stimuli. Okay. Example is when a light comes on your eyes. Suddenly, when light comes on your eyes, you do like this, no? Yes. So responsiveness to stimuli. When someone pinches you, you shout, na? You scream, ah. Yes, that is, you are giving response to that stimuli. Okay, responsiveness to stimuli. Next, the moment of changes, the plants also move. The plants also move. When the sunlight is coming, the plants move to one side. Yes, when the creeper plant, creeper means a plant, type of plant, is planted in a pot. Yes, it leans, it needs support. Creeper plant means plant which needs a support. To take a support, it moves towards the side. So that is the movement, that is responsiveness to stimuli. Understood this basic characteristics? Yes. So remaining characteristics we will continue in next video. Okay? Till then enjoy, watch this video and read the lesson up to page number 12. Okay? Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.